Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easily sign up for InVideo AI on your phone. Whether you want to create stunning videos or just explore the awesome features of InVideo, you are in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the InVideo AI app on your phone. Once you are on the InVideo homepage, you'll be seeing many options. Simply tap on Join with Google, tap on Continue, and tap on your Google account. Tap and continue. Tap and continue. Tap and continue. So there you have it. Signing up for InVideo AI is quick and easy, and now you're ready to make amazing videos from your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.